How to download and install Better Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install Better Discord. Now, before we begin, I would like to tell you guys that this is against the terms and conditions of Discord, so you might get banned if you use it. But if you're still willing to use it, simply go to your web browser and search for Discord, Better Discord. After you do that, you will see the Better Discord link pop up. Tap on it and you'll get redirected to betterdiscord.app. After you do that, you will see the download option. Simply tap on download and it will get downloaded. Now, after you download it, you can open it up. You can see the file location. Simply double click on it and it should pop up the download option. So as you can see right here, it's giving us the terms and conditions and the license. Simply accept the license agreement, tap on next, and you will see install Better Discord. Just select that and tap on next. After you do so, make sure that you choose your version. All you need to do is choose your Discord version here. If you have installed Discord, just browse it through here and select that and tap on install, and your Better Discord will get installed. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, if you want to just uninstall your Better Discord, if you ever change your mind, just go to this installer again, and you will see the uninstall Better Discord option. Tap on uninstall Better Discord, tap on next, and you will need to browse again to find your Discord. After you do so, simply tap on uninstall and you're good to go. So yeah, that is basically how you download Better Discord on your PC. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video too. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.